Okay, welcome. My name is Steffen Lehmann. I'm a systems engineer from Cisco in Germany, and I'm showing you here the industry first 21 to 9 Microsoft Teams on Android solution together with our partner Samsung. We are making this experience possible, right? So on the right-hand side, you have the chat. On the left-hand side, you can see raised hands, and you get the full 21 to 9 screen estate. On the other hand, you're also able to join other vendors' meetings, like our lovely WebEx meetings. And yeah, you can switch between the gallery mode and the front row mode. You get all the features that you get from the MTR, Microsoft Teams experience. But yeah, if you hang up, you will also be able to join with this MTR capable endpoint because of the collaboration we have with Microsoft. You can join a WebEx meeting the same way. If you want to have more information about it, find us on cisco.com. Thank you.